Hey everyone, Ryan Beahan here from CarOne to introduce you to our brand new showroom and take you through the 5 gears of our industry-leading sales process. Come take a look. All right, first gear, let's get the wheels in motion. Using the kiosk with an experienced manager, such as myself, we will confirm as many vehicles as you'd like for pre-selection. Upload your driver's license and take them for a spin. Second gear, whichever vehicles you've selected or are interested in, take them for a spin. This is the best part of the car buying experience. When we find the vehicle for you, let's shift it into third. Now we're ready to value your current vehicle. We are focused on giving you a great experience. Using TradeRev, a live auction system, we let dealers across North America bid on your vehicle to get you the best bang for your buck. Time for fourth gear, personalization, where we take all the vehicles for you and present them with several unique offers. From service to accessories to protection plans, we make the right vehicle the perfect vehicle for you. Now throw it into fifth gear. You're almost ready to cruise. You've decided on the right vehicle for you. It's now time to take down payment and customize a financial plan for you and your personal budget.